Thank you very much. And thank you, Dr. Soba. You've done so well to put this together. It's an honor. And thanks to the Dean of the School of Engineering, University of Lagos, for inviting me over. I do appreciate your courtesy. And pleasure to be back to my alma mater. And I love the faces I'm seeing, and I love the excitement. And hopefully we get this going, and I get to connect with you all. So now the question is, what is additive manufacturing? I'm sure this word is new to some of you. If you're in mechanical engineering, if you're in chemical engineering, if you're in material science, you will know or heard of 3D printing. So 3D printing is not a conventional quote-unquote manufacturing type. It is more for prototyping. However, we talk about the FDM process specifically. Now, which of these following is not a recognized type of additive manufacturing according to ASTM standard? Now, before I come to you, can someone tell me what ASTM stands for? Good. Yes.